Hey, guys! Welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your promotions in Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. After opening the Gmail application, just simply go to your promotions by clicking on these three bars in the top left side. From there, you can see the promotions option just below the primary option. Select the promotions. Now, after coming into the promotions section, you can see all of the promotional emails or ads here. Just simply swipe left in order to delete all the promotions. And after swiping up, your promotions here will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.